Honda recently updated its scooter lineup over in Indonesia with the launch of the ADV 160. Rumors have been going around, however, that Honda Philippines isn't planning to launch this model soon. If that were true, then it would make more sense. The Click is, after all, Honda's best-selling offering in our market. Revamping the local roster with the new 160 model could only spell good news for Honda Philippines. If you're unfamiliar with the Click 160, worry not, because we're here to give you a rundown. This was launched in our region a few months back and is one of the latest Honda scooters to get a new and bigger engine. The Thailand website says the Click 160 is powered by a 156.9 cubic centimeters engine, which is identical to that of the ADV 160 and PCX 160. The new Click's peak figures, however, were unavailable. Other upgrades to the Click 160 apart from the styling updates include the wider tires, the full LED lighting system, the integrated charging port in the glove compartment, and the new LCD instrument cluster. The Click 160 has both CBS and ABS variants, something that's becoming a standard for Honda scooters. Color options for this model include both monotone and two-tone finishes. Would you like to see the Click 160 here in the Philippines, or would you rather get the ADV 160 sooner instead? If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe and activate notification. You can also follow our Facebook page for detailed pictures.